Hi friends, in this video we are going to deal with the important judgment titled Rajesh Pravin Chandra Rajaguru versus Gujarat Water Supply and Sewage Board and others, pronounced on 17th December 2021. The judgment deals with that daily rated employees cannot, as a matter of right, claim the parity of pay scales with the government employees, and further adds that the petitioners could not invoke Article 14 of the Constitution to claim benefit on the ground of parity if they otherwise were not entitled to such benefit. To know more about this case synopsis, please watch the video fully. The facts of the case would be that based on the recommendations of Sri Daulat Bhai Parmar Committee, Government of Gujarat passed a parent resolution wherein it decided to give certain benefits to the skilled daily wage of workmen depending upon the period of services undergone, that is less than 5 or more, or 10 years. The board adopted the resolution dated October 17, 1988, the parent resolution, and thus granted benefits of the pay scale of rupees 750 and other benefits upon the completion of 5 years service, and placed them at the basic pay of rupees 2550. Board also granted benefits under the parent resolution to all daily rated employees working with the board, including the writ petitioners, upon their completion of 10 years, and placed them in the pay scale of rupees 2550, 55, 2600, 60, 3000, 3,200. However, some of the zonal officers of the board erroneously and inadvertently extended the benefit of the subsequent modified resolutions to unskilled daily wages. When it came to the notice of the board's head office, it instructed to not grant benefits and thus withdrew the benefit of pay scale granted inadvertently, applying the modified resolutions, and even started recovery. The petitioners sent various representations to the board for placing them in the pay scale as per the modified resolutions, and further revision of pay to the extent of rupees 3050 to 4590. They thus approached the High Court for granting them the benefits of pay scale under the modified resolutions and putting them in the pay scale of rupees 950 to 1500. The single judge directed the board to grant benefits of pay scale of rupees 950 to 1500 to the original writ petitioners, the daily rated employees, with all consequential benefits upon completion of 10 years of service, and revise their pay scales as per 5th, 6th and 7th pay commission scales on such basis. Directions were also issued to pay them arrears. On appeal, the division bench quashed and set aside the order passed by the single judge. Being aggrieved, the daily rated employees are before the Supreme Court. The issues posed for consideration are whether the daily rated employees working with the board are entitled to the benefits flowing from subsequent modified resolutions, and whether the principle of negative equality shall be applicable in a case where the other employees were wrongly granted the benefits, and or the employees who are claiming the parity shall have to establish their rights independently to get the particular benefits. The Supreme Court has held that right from adopting the parent resolution, the board granted benefits under the parent resolution to all the original writ petitioners, the daily rated employees, upon their completion of 5 years and of 10 years. Therefore, as such, the board, which is an autonomous and statutory body created under Gujarat Water Supply and Sewage Board Act, never adopted the subsequent modified government resolutions, and unless the said resolutions are adopted by the board, the daily rated employees working with the board shall not be entitled to the benefits flowing from the subsequent modified resolutions. There shall not be automatic adoption or applicability of the subsequent modified resolutions. Under the circumstances as rightly held by the division bench, the daily rated employees of the board cannot claim the benefits from the modified resolutions of 1991 and 1992 as a matter of right. As rightly observed and held, they do not have any right to get the benefit flowing from the aforesaid modified resolutions till specifically adopted by the board, like adoption of the parent resolution. The state government and the autonomous board or bodies cannot be put at par. The board has to depend upon their own financial resources. Therefore, the daily rated employees of the board cannot, as a matter of right, claim the parity of pay scales with the government employees. Right from the very beginning, it was the case on behalf of the board that the benefits under the subsequent modified resolutions were inadvertently and mistakenly given by some of the zonal officers, which subsequently came to be withdrawn, and even the recovery is also sought. As observed and held herein above, the original writ petitioners, the daily rated employees of the board, are not entitled to the benefits flowing from the subsequent modified government resolutions. Therefore, they cannot invoke Article 14 of the Constitution to claim benefit on the ground of parity if they otherwise are not entitled to such benefit. As per the settled proposition of law, Article 14 of the Constitution embodies concept of positive equality alone and not negative equality. The single judge committed grave error in holding that the action of the board in not granting benefit flowing from the subsequent modified government resolutions is discriminatory and violative of Article 14 of the Constitution of India. The same is rightly corrected by the division bench, and it has rightly set aside the order passed by the single judge. Friends, to conclude, in this video we have seen that daily rated employees cannot, as a matter of right, claim the parity of pay scales with the government employees, and the petitioners could not invoke Article 14 of the Constitution to claim benefit on the ground of parity if they otherwise were not entitled to such benefit, as per Rajesh Pravin Chandra Rajaguru versus Gujarat Water Supply and Sewage Board and others case. In the next video, I will see you with yet another case synopsis. Until then, I take leave of you. Bye.